Hey everybody, Brian Gillis here. Wanted to talk about a couple things. Our Advisor Result Academy. Through UNet Results, and we offer two basic opportunities. One is our front counter workshop. Front counter workshop, 16 hours of training, okay? We focus in on the big three: improving your customer service, increasing your car count, and maximizing your ARO, average repair order. Also want to talk about our virtual clinics. I know it's hard, some people can't make the travel, okay? And so we're offering virtual clinics throughout the year that you can come in and experience service advisor training. Let's build up our confidence. Put more tools in our toolbox that as service advisors we can take out and utilize, with big emphasis on increasing your car count and increasing your average repair order. Front counter workshop, 16 hours in total, 2 8-hour days. We hold these throughout cities all over the United States. Our virtual clinics, you don't have to leave the shop, straight from your computer. Those are typically run for about 2 days, 2 hours apiece, back-to-back days for a total of 4 hours of training. It'll be a lot of fun and a lot of takeaways. I guarantee a lift at your shop if your service advisors attend. They will be very focused on delivering outstanding car count, outstanding ticket averages, and outstanding customer service. Come check us out. Love to see you there. I love this business. I love service advising, and I look forward to working with you and your service advisors. Remember that we can never forget how to hunt, and we polish and fine-tune our skills. Thank you, everybody, and take care.